One of the biggest question of life is, what do I want? And what the am I doing over here, wherever I am? Isn't that interesting? Big mistake, I forgot to bring my tripod today. I just felt like getting out of my house, so I packed everything in a hurry and I forgot to bring the tripod. Hence I am kneeling down and trying to think of something meaningful and not make a complete mess of myself. And I was just thinking that our thinking is always directed in a manner of finding meaning and purpose in life, right? We always think, what is the thing that I should do that will make an impact in the world and help us feel fulfilled in what we do, right? So we are driven by that. We search that in books we read, movies we watched, places we go, in anything and everything we try to find meaning, we try to find happiness. But what if we are not meant to be happy? What if we are not meant to find purpose? What if life is just this thing that does not inherently needs to have meaning or purpose? I'm trying to interject a few ideas in this thinking, so please bear with me. We want to understand the origin of life, the meaning of life, why life originated in Earth, and we have these big questions. Why are we here in this planet? What are we doing? And Neil deGrasse Tyson said, the universe doesn't owe you an answer, and which I think is pretty valid point. I mean, and a few weeks back I was reading another book, the Almanack of Naval Ravikant, and there the author discusses the perspective of Naval Ravikant on meaning of life. He gives 3 different answers because, well, it's a very fascinating topic to say the least. The first answer is, what if there is no meaning to life? What if life is just this thing that does not have any meaning, or it's not supposed to have any meaning? It's we humans who are trying to find meaning in everything. There's no true meaning to life. It's whatever we give. So that's how he segues into his second answer is, the meaning of life is what we give it to it. It's a very gloomy day, or maybe I'm just feeling gloomy from inside and I'm finding everything hazy and gloomy, but I think the former one is true. It's a very hazy day, and I think that's being reflected on my internal thinking and everything, and I don't feel so good about today. So if you think life is meaningful, if you think it's full of energy and joy and happiness, it is. But if you feel gloomy about it, it's gloomy, it's sad, there's no meaning in life. We are all alone in this universe and no one's gonna come find us, or maybe we are inside a simulation and there is no free will. And isn't that interesting?